Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison. In this video, I'm going to show you the beginning steps of how to replace the glass in this window. I'm going to unpackage the glass and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this reglaze. Here is my replacement piece of glass. The next step is to inspect the piece of glass. Ensure it is the correct size and free of any kind of defects. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this reglaze, beginning with your PPE, the appropriate silicone, tape measure, putty knife, easy deglazing knife, razor knife, and your glass cup. To recap, I've now unpackaged the glass and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this reglaze. In the next video, I'm going to remove the glazing bead, remove the glass, and replace the glass with the appropriate sealant.